Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus IS250 radio. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will need a few key tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Having a magnetic tray is also very helpful to keep all your screws organized and prevent them from getting lost during the process. Next, we'll begin by removing the dash panels. Start by gently prying off the silver trim pieces located on either side of the center console. These are usually held by clips, so work slowly to avoid damage. Then, remove the shifter knob and the console piece around it. Often, a single Phillips screw secures this section. Finally, use your plastic pry tool to detach the cup holder assembly and disconnect its electrical connector. Now let's move to the upper dash. Carefully pry out the air vent assembly. Be mindful of the clips and any electrical connectors attached to it and disconnect them. As you remove each trim piece, remember to disconnect any wiring harnesses you encounter. Once the vents are out, you should be able to locate and remove two Phillips head screws or 10mm bolts that are typically found beneath the dash tray, securing the radio unit. For the final step, you'll need to remove the four 10mm mounting bolts that hold the entire radio unit in place. Once these bolts are out, carefully pull the radio unit forward. Be gentle, as there will be several electrical connectors attached to the back. Disconnect all of these harnesses to fully free the radio. And for more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.